Peppa Pig. This is my little brother, George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Hiccups. Peppa, George, Mummy and Daddy were having breakfast. It is a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and George can't wait to go into the garden to play. Mummy, please can we go out to play? You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast. George, don't drink your juice too quick. George drank his juice too quickly and now he has hiccups. Ha! Can we go out to play now, Mummy? Not will George had hiccups. But George hiccups have gone. Mummy, haven't they, George? Oh, all right. You can go out and play. But look after George. Peppa and George love playing in the garden. George, I'm going to throw the ball, and then you have to catch it. Ha! George, please stop hiccuping. Ah! George! Now you throw the ball to me and I have to catch it. Ah! George! Oh dear, George hiccups are spoiling the game. George, I know how to cure hiccups. You have to do what I say. Ha! Rub the top of the head and top tummy. Good. Now your hiccups have gone. Peppa cure for hiccups doesn't seem to have worked. George, you don't eat all wrong. I know a better way to cure hiccups. First, jump up and down 3 times on one leg. Now, wave your arms up and down. And stick your tongue out. And now, close your eyes and turn around quickly. 3 times. Peppa new score hasn't worked either. George still has hiccups. Hiccup. I know to cure hiccups. The old piggies must be giving a shot. George, I'm going to scare you, but you must remember, I only a game and I stop your hiccups. Remember, this is just parents scaring. Peppa, you must play so running with George. He only little. Sorry, Mom. I was just trying to stop just Hiccups. Just Hiccups have gone. Here comes Daddy Pig with 2 barrels of joke. Just if you drink too quickly, you will get hiccups again. I'm not as little as yours. I can drink juice as quickly as I want to. Peppa Pig.